Hey everyone, this is Tim Halverson. I just wanted to stop in for a quick minute and just give you a warm welcome and let you know that we are doing more tutorials. I'm producing a whole lot more learning content for architecture, design, technology, and publishing that under a different umbrella, different banner. And that's actually what I'm wearing here. I got the new jacket on for Sevenfold Design Technology. So if you're interested in learning and continuing your design learning journey to improve tools, processes, workflows, all those kinds of things to enhance your design process, head on over to Sevenfold Design Technology. On YouTube, we have it linked in the banner of the Tim Halverson YouTube channel. And also if you hit the hashtag on any of the videos, I've actually updated that to link over to Sevenfold Design Technology, so check that out. And then if you hit the hashtag, make sure you filter for only hashtag Sevenfold. I think if you don't do it, the search results return a band of some things. So if you do the hashtag Sevenfold, that'll get you all the new content. And so yeah, just go ahead and hit subscribe, notify, and also get on the email list. We have a lot more course content that's going to go much more in depth beyond what free content we publish on the Sevenfold YouTube page. But anyway, I hope to see you inside in the conversation, and stay curious, my friends.